Happy New Year, explorers! In 2020, our health goals are to explore more delicious, healthy and plant-based recipes. And we're going to start with these amazing stir-fry satay noodles. So we're going to start with the Explore Cuisine chickpea spaghetti. Now we're going to make the satay sauce, which is ginger, garlic, and onion. Okay, next we're going to add to the satay sauce the sun butter, add a little bit of maple syrup, a little bit of turmeric as well, some liquid aminos, some hot sauce, some MCT oil, fresh lime juice, apple cider vinegar. Okay, so while the satay sauce is cooking to the side, we are going to make the vegetable stir-fry part of it. Some garlic and ginger and onions, dried cilantro, fresh vegetables, and that is it, you guys. So enjoy, and this meal will not leave you hungry, and it still helps you to achieve your best, healthiest lifestyle, and that is a smarter way to pasta. So be sure to check out Explore Cuisine's channel for more delicious recipes like this one.